Let's get straight to it. 2016 Scion TC. This is the 2.5 liter engine. Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you how to change your air filter. It's real simple. Locate your air box, which is right here. There's two tabs, one here and one here. So if you pull those tabs back, and then you expose your air filter right there. And we didn't even have to disconnect anything up top. So once you expose your air filter, you can go ahead and pull that out. And now we have our air filter out. And you can see it looks pretty good, so I don't know why they wanted to change this, but I'm actually going to tell them that this is pretty good and I wouldn't change it. So once you have your new filter ready to go, it's the same thing backwards. You just lift it up like this, slide your new filter in, and then we'll start to close it back. So once the new filter is in, there's two tabs that you have to push into the back there. And once that's pushed in, then you can push down the front. Make sure to get everything lined up perfectly and sealed. Check all your seals around the side. And then we can go ahead and clip these on. And just like that, check to make sure the gasket's not hanging out the sides or squashed, and everything is good. So that is how you change or check your air filter on this vehicle.